Not yet. Okay, go ahead.
I love you, Auntie Deb.
What do you?
Happy birthday, Auntie Deb.
You gonna sing to her?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Auntie Deb.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Snickerdoodle.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Ow, Colin, you're digging into me. Don't.
I just like to dig at you.
Okay, what else do you want to say?
I have a dog named Maxie Girl.
Let's see, there she is. She's being crazy, girl. Say hi, Max.
Hi, Mimi.
Sing happy birthday to Auntie Deb.
Nicey.
Yep, see?
She loves her Mickey Mouse.
She does.
Can I hold it?
Just for a minute. Okay, let me take another picture of you so we can say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Cheesy.
Cheesy. Say we'll see you soon.
I see you soon, Cheesy.
And we miss you.
I miss you, Cheesy.
Goodbye, Cheesy.
Bye, Cheesy. 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 I love you, Cheesy. Give you a kiss.
All right. Okay, thank you.